Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing really well. This is Manisha Jha with you and today we are going to learn about possessive nouns. What is possessive nouns? What is the use of possessive noun? How can we use possessive nouns to make any sentences or any English grammar? किस तरीके से possessive noun का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, क्यों किया जाता है, इसके क्या क्या यूजेस हैं? चलिए इसे और अच्छे से डिटेलिंग के साथ में जानने के लिए चलते हैं सिमरन मैम के पास।
Hi students, I am Simran with you and today's topic is possessive nouns. Now look at these sentences. The doll of Riya was very beautiful. So here the possession is being shown. Doll of Riya. The dog of Rahul. The palace of the king. So in all the above sentences, these are your possessive sentences. Now, Riya's doll was very beautiful. In this way, what can you do? You can just add an apostrophe s and then the possession will be shown. Instead of writing dog of Rahul, we have written Rahul's dog. Instead of writing palace of king, we have written kings of palace. So in all these examples, we are showing the belonging or the possession of the noun to the thing. So we are establishing certain kind of relationship. So in all the sentences, each of the nouns, girl's pen, Rahul's dog, king's palace, these are the possessive case. Now rewrite the following sentences correctly. This tree's leaves have fallen. So we can write it like the leaves of the trees have fallen, or use an apostrophe to show the plural possessor, the club of the woman. So we can just write the women's club. Now underline the nouns in possessive case in the following sentences. So the farmer's work, because we have an apostrophe here.
Students, in this chapter we have learned about possessive nouns, their kinds and how can we use possessive nouns in any sentences. I hope you have understood each and every detail about possessive nouns. अब आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस और इसके एक्सरसाइज और चैप्टर की प्रैक्टिस और रिवीजन दोनों करते रहिएगा ताकि आप इसे कभी न भूलें।